morning, good morning. I hope that everyone is doing well, as I am. I've come to the point where I need to shampoo my hair. But before I shampoo my hair, I wanted to see how it would look when I took down the tied hairstyle that I did previously. I see now that my hair is even a little bit more stretched, and I like that. There was not a lot of tension to my hair. I'm being told often that my hair is growing so fast and it's thick and it has a lot of body, and I totally agree. But I can tell that it's time to shampoo it. It has been over a week, more than 7 days since I shampooed my hair. And so I'm going to braid and band my hair. And then I'm going to get in the shower and shampoo my hair. I want to thank my subscribers for your continued support. Thank you. I am just happy to have you a part of the Gene G family. I thank you for liking the videos. Thank you for sharing. And thank you for commenting. I especially like the comments so that we can interact. And if you're watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to this video, it's time for you to click on that subscribe button and the notification bell and become a part of the Gene G family. Because I just want to spend a little bit of time with you. And I'm trying to build this channel, and I want you to be a part of that building process. So thank you for all that you do to help me. Thank you. So I'm going to go ahead and braid and band my hair. And I'm not going to take you through the whole process. But I do want you to know that I do want you to hang out with me just a little bit more. And to know that I do still braid and band my hair every time I shampoo my hair. I'll be back to complete this video after I have shampooed my hair. I'm getting ready to put in my last braid, and I'm trying to make sure that I don't leave any of my locks out, because I don't think that I've ever braided and banded my hair and not left at least one lock out, and it's usually one in the middle back here or somewhere in here. So I'm going to do this last braid, and I want you to know that my plans are to do an assumptions video, what you assume about me. Even though I've shared so much about my life on YouTube, I am pretty sure that there are some things you think you know about me and you believe it to be true. Just tell me what it is that you assume about me so that I can address it in that video. I will be looking at all of the assumptions on April 20th to decide how I am going to address those assumptions in my assumptions video. So please comment on this video letting me know some of the things that you assume about me. I will see you in a few minutes after I have shampooed my hair. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6 in the back. 10 braids that I have banded. And now I'm getting ready to get in the shower and shampoo my hair. I just took a short break from my shower, from shampooing my hair, so you can see what it looks like. If you'd really like to see how to shampoo your hair, your Sisterlocks, I'm going to suggest that you take a look at a video that was created by I love bright colors, and I'll put a link to her video in the description box. Now I'm going back to rinse my hair. I am back from shampooing my hair. I have my hair wrapped with a microfiber towel, and I have to participate in a Zoom call. So I am going to see if I can camouflage this towel with a head wrap.
If it doesn't make my hair look too big.
This is how I am going to Zoom today. This is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers and my followers. And I especially love God because He's been so good to me. And there will be a follow-up to this video. Have a great day.